Hi, it's Patrick here from the Garagebandguide.com. In this video, I'm going to share the best music production tools for beginners. There's a good mix of stuff here that I think you'll find really useful. The best part is that none of it will cost you a single penny. Let's dive in. Klanghelm are well known for creating great sounding and fairly priced plugins for desktop. Their MJUC variable tube compressor is particularly popular, and with good reason. I have it, it's banging, and well worth the £25 I paid for it. They also have several free effects that you need to check out. Most notably the MJUC Junior. MJUC Junior is the little brother of the MJUC compressor I just mentioned. It's a variable tube design with lots of vibe, capable of smooth leveling but also heavy pumping effects. With its two gain stages and interstage transformer simulation, it offers a very deep and lively soundstage. If you're on the lookout for a compressor that will add a bit more character to your sound than GarageBand's stock compressor, this is the plugin for you. Klanghelm offer their IVGI saturation plugin and DC1A compressor for free as well. While I think the MJUC Junior is the standout here, the others are well worth adding to your plugin arsenal too. Control the width of any track, perfect for making super wide sounds or creating narrow, mono-like sources. Make your pianos, synths and cymbals fill up your stereo image or tighten up your low end by narrowing bass and kick drums. iZotope's Ozone Imager also sounds great on a master track, adding width and depth to any project. It comes with 3 different vector scope meters that help check your stereo width and see if your left and right channels are lining up properly. Version 2 adds the stereoize function, I'm pretty sure that's not a word guys, which can turn mono into stereo with no need for reverb or doubling. Use the new Stereoize 2 mode for subtle enhancement or Stereoize 1 for a colourful phasing effect. Giving you a wee taste of the kind of features the full Ozone mastering plugin offers, Ozone Imager stands on its own as a must-download music tool in its own right. Spitfire LABS is essential. I won't go into too much detail as I've made multiple videos about it in the past, but it's just incredible. At the time of this video, there are 28 free instruments available that range from soft and subtle piano to airy synth pads, weird atmospheric layers, and everything in between. Finish watching this video, then go and get it. Komplete Start is a massive free production suite from Native Instruments. Using the free Komplete Control plugin, you'll get access to over 2,000 studio quality sounds, including drums and percussion, bass, acoustic instruments, synths, pads and atmospheres, effects, and more. You'll also get your hands on 16 pro-grade synths and sampled instruments, plus effects, loops, and samples to boot. A fantastic introduction to the world of Native Instruments. There's more than enough here to keep you busy for days, weeks, and beyond. Finally, Slaps is a brand new platform from the folks at DistroKid that essentially emulates SoundCloud, or rather the glory days of SoundCloud before it became a hollow, soulless, profit-driven parody of itself. You know it's true. DistroKid have really nailed the fundamentals of how a site like this should work. Users are encouraged to cultivate a balanced comment-to-track ratio, with the tantalising prospect of having your tracks featured on Slap's homepage if your CTR is high enough. This results in most tracks getting a ton of comments and feedback. They've just introduced groups to the platform as well, which is not only a great way to find the genre of music that you're looking for, but also fantastic for meeting and mingling with other like-minded creators. Slaps has seen exponential growth since launch and seems to be growing by the day. Go and check it out. So there you have it. Those are the best free music tools around for beginners. What did I miss? What music tools, free or otherwise, can you not live without? Let me know down below. I've been Patrick from the Garagebandguide.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. There you have it. Oh, meh.